Codes and standards set a minimum level of safety for structures and systems. These publications are written by subject matter experts and contain instructions to help designers, contractors, and safety codes officers ensure that permitted work complies with safety standards. Each discipline has its own set of codes and standards. Each province can choose to adopt an existing code as is, for example, the Canadian Electrical Code, adopt an existing code with amendments, for example, the National Building Code, Alberta Edition, or create their own code or standard, for example, the Alberta Private Sewage Standard of Practice. In order to keep up with changes in technology, policy, and industry, codes and standards are revised in cycles. The Safety Codes Council works closely with Alberta Municipal Affairs to review and administer each new edition of these codes. Through our sub-councils, we help represent industry perspectives in the Safety Codes system. Our sub-councils cover the disciplines listed in the Safety Codes Act: fire protection, barrier-free design, buildings, electrical systems including utilities, elevating devices, which includes amusement rides, passenger ropeways, elevators and escalators, gas systems, plumbing and private sewage disposal systems, and pressure equipment. Sub-council members are volunteers nominated by organizations that represent Alberta's industries and regions. Our members represent diverse specialties, including engineering, architecture, contracting, manufacturing, corporations, safety codes officers, labor, municipalities, and education. Sub-councils meet regularly to discuss developments in their discipline and make recommendations about codes, standards, and regulations under the Safety Codes Act. Sub-councils also review and suggest Standata, which are documents issued by Municipal Affairs. Standata contain interpretations of code items, information bulletins with additional explanations, or province-wide variances that provide alternative solutions to code requirements. Standata are responsive to developments that occur between code cycles and provide additional information, guidance, or options for users. Sub-council members also provide expert advice to help the Safety Codes Council fulfill its mandate in other ways. They weigh in on many aspects of our system, including evaluating safety codes officer competencies and hearing appeals of orders and written notices. Our sub-council members donate their time in order to ensure that our safety code system is effective for Alberta's industries, regions, and people. They are an essential part of making Alberta a safe place to live, work, and play.